I gotta tell you something here, and it's about the physics that you have learned in your high school. So I don't know whether you're majoring in physics or minor in physics, I don't know. Anyway, I can connect to you about the equations that you have studied so far. It may be F is equal to ma, it may be E is equal to mc square, and there's so many equations you have studied which are given in that textbook. And if we ask you, dear, can you just add up masses of two elephants? If I tell you, okay, mass of one elephant is 3,000 kilogram, another elephant is just 2,000 kilogram, what is the total mass? You just say, okay, tell sir, it is just 3,000 and plus 2,000 is totally 5,000 kilogram. So it's very easy to add up the masses because mass is the same physical quantity and subject is different. Maybe, okay, one elephant, another elephant you have. But anyway, you added up the masses, that's all. Or if I ask you one more question, can you just add up mass of elephant and height of the elephant? No, you can't do that, because mass and height are different physical quantities. And remember, in physics, whenever you are dealing with the equations, whenever you add up two terms or when you subtract two terms, they should have the same dimension. If not, you can never do any subtraction or addition. So you can go through any equations in physics, and there are so many given in the textbook, and you have got a freedom to kick it out of the textbook only when if they are not dimensionally correct. For example, V is equal to U plus 80, they are absolutely dimensionally correct. F is equal to m, left hand side you've got force, right hand side you've got mass into acceleration, and again left hand side dimension is same as right hand side dimension. So you cannot kick it out anymore because they are having same dimensions. And that's what I'm telling you. Every equation should have same dimension in either sides. Every term in the equation should have same dimension. If it is not, you can just kick it out of the textbook, and that's what I can tell you right now about physics equations. So thanks for watching this video. Nice day.